Alright, so on our air seeder video for our 1890-1910 air cart, we're going to go through the setup on our run page today. First thing we'll want to do is select which tank that we're going to use, either our front tank or our rear tank. To do this, we just touch our clutch button. When it lights up green, that means that will be the tank that we're using. To switch tanks, you'll turn that tank off, touch our other tank button. When it lights up green, that will be the tank that we're planning out of. Our green bars that we see here on the screen, those represent our sections. Since this drill that we're using today has section command on it, that means these sections are ready to be planning. When one turns clear or black, that means that section is turned off on our meter that we've entered our area that we've already planted. When we turn our variable rates on, our rate box will show up here where it says variable rates disabled at the moment. We'll turn those on here in a little bit and show you how to enter in rates that we can have pre-selected and change to on the go in that box. Our next two drop down boxes here, we can customize these to see what we want. So if we want to see, for instance, acres planted here that we've got selected on this box, we can have that chosen. We've got mile per hour in the other box, but to change that, we touch our box, and here are our choices that we can look at. Either our acre counter number 1 or number 2. We can have a total acres entered and it count down from that, or acres that we're planting per hour, or our speed is our selections that we can choose. Other two things that are on our setup run screen here is our main clutch on and off. This can be manually turned on or off by touching the box. When it's solid black, like you see here, it means the clutch is on. We touch it again when it's got a clear line through it between it, that means the drill is turned off. Now this should actuate automatically with our potentiometer on our drill as the drill moves up and down, but you can manually turn it on and off as well. Our other setting that we do on our run screen is our fan speed. So we touch our fan button, and this is going to be our speed that our target speed that we're shooting for on our drill. So for rice, for instance, I would shoot for a target speed of 2800. Now that may not necessarily be where you end up running, but that's a good place to start. For rice, I'd rather have too much air starting off as too little. That way we're not stopping up the drill. So we press enter. That's got our fan limit set now. It'll show our fan RPM here once we engage our SCV, and will give us a fan out of speed limits warning if we go above or below that target speed.